Let's talk about naming ions, and in the next lesson we'll talk about naming ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are held together by electrostatic charges. That's just a fancy way of saying that opposite charges attract. Of course, cations have lost one or more electrons and have a positive charge. Anions have gained one or more electrons and have a negative charge. Metals tend to lose electrons and become cations. Nonmetals tend to gain electrons and become anions. And looking at the periodic table, we can oftentimes predict what charge many of the elements will have when they become an ion. The alkali metals, group 1A, are always plus 1. Group 2, they're plus 2. Group 3 are plus 3. Those are metals. And the opposite side of the table, the halogens, group 7A or 17, they always are minus 1. When they become an anion with a metal, group 16 or 6A is minus 2, and nitrogen and phosphorus could be minus 3 from that group when forming an ion. So the D block have various charges, and we'll have to use some other information to do so when we're actually naming compounds. But here we're just trying to figure out what the charges are on different species. And so strontium, I'm at 38 in group 2, gets a plus 2 charge. Sulfur in group 6 gets a minus 2 charge. Yttrium in column 3, 3B, gets a plus 3 charge. Bromine is a halogen in group 7A, or group 7, column 17, gets a minus 1 charge. And selenium is in 6A, group 16, a minus 2 charge. So when we're naming ions, and they have more than one charge, we need to include what that charge is as a Roman numeral when we name that ion. So iron 2 plus becomes the iron 2 ion. Iron 3 is the iron 3 ion. Palladium plus 4 is palladium 4. Molybdenum plus 6 is molybdenum 6. And so the Roman numeral in parentheses is how we designate the charge. And this is called the Stock nomenclature, after chemist Alfred Stock who developed this. So for ions, though, we want to take something like fluorine, change that ending from fluorine to fluoride. Selenium becomes selenide. Phosphorus becomes phosphide. And bromine becomes bromide.